So we're in a Viper right now. Alright, that V10. I got the chills just now, actually.
So I was telling that guy when we in the garage, it sounds loud.
Yeah. See that hood? Okay, this is legendary. And it handles like a champ. Oh wow, I'm kind of speechless. The interior is nice too. Leather interior. Let's get a piece of this interior. Carbon fiber. Not polished, it's raw, that's cool. Adds to the aesthetic. What an experience, man. The Viper logo. Oh my god, there's so many things to this. Alright, take this loop. This is probably the death of all low cars. Good. There we go. We will hit up Mexico someday because that would be epic.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you have a cool car, please DM my Instagram, and thanks to Vip for letting me video his Viper. Have a good one.
The other day I'd gone to Jimmy John's over here off of Waverly Tate. There's a guy that works at AT&T, and he was like, "Oh damn man, my dream car." He's like, "Oh, can I check it out?" I'm like, "Go ahead, man." And he's like, "Oh man, can you give me a ride sometime?" I'm like, "Dude, hop in right now. I'll take you for a spin."
That's cool.
He was so fucking stoked, man. He was like, "Oh, you made my day." He's like, "Oh, actually, you made the whole week."
Right?
I'm like, "It's all good, bro."
That's like a dream of dreamers, just to get a
It's like
ride
you
in
don't
it.
know unless you ask, and sometimes you know. Look, you can tell what kind of people are sometimes, and you don't want to ask because they'll probably
Right.
get all upset and be like, "No."
Yeah, it's worth the risk,
Yeah,
but
so I'm like, "It's cool, man." I was like, "You can hop in. I'll take you for a spin."